you have to make a promise that video is here to stay. And as a marketer, what are you gonna do with that? Maybe you've never done a video online, or maybe you're scared, maybe you don't know how to do it, but you know that it's the way to go. Like everywhere right now, you see people doing video challenge on Facebook and Instagram. So I'm gonna give you a framework today that's gonna help you to go online, to go and do live videos, or you can even record those videos so that you have something to share with your tribe online. So an easy way to go into the video production of when you're a one-person show, whether you have a boutique or you sell services or you sell essential oils or you sell socks or you sell whatever, or if you sell services, conference, there's always something you can actually teach people, because whatever you do, you are solving a problem, right? Whether it's a product, a service, or an event, you are bringing a solution to someone. So what you do when you do your online videos is that you're gonna help that person to explain your products or to explain how you can solve multiple problems that they have around that main issue they have that you are in, right? So for example, maybe you are into the essential oil business right now. So people may have, question about, is it safe for my kids? So you can teach them how to use essential oils for kids. And you do that online in a video. Or you could say, okay, what are the top 3 oils you could use in your house during the holiday season? So you can teach little things here and there. And I'm gonna show you a framework so that it's easy. You show up, you state exactly like I did. So you're struggling with using online videos for your business, promoting your business in a very natural way. And I would say the number one way of doing it is to give everything you have online to your people by teaching them, showing them your new products, explaining things for free online, but do it in a way that it solves a problem so that it's not just random. So here's the structure you can have. So when you come online, first, maybe you start with a question. Are you struggling with this? Or do you wonder, are you wondering about this? Or is this an issue? Or, you ask a question. So for me, I'm asking you, are you struggling with, using online videos for your business? And my promise to you is that by the end of this video, you're gonna have a formula that you can use and apply, okay? So first thing is this, your promise. What am I promising you? If you listen to that video, you're gonna have a recipe to be live or to record videos for Facebook, Instagram, for wherever you want to put them. And then after that, you're gonna do 3 supporting points that helps you explaining what you're trying to explain and how you're gonna bring a solution to your audience, okay? So for me, in that situation where I'm asking you, are you struggling with using more videos for your business? I'm gonna tell you 3 reasons why and how it's gonna help your business to get on board with videos. I'm gonna give you 3 reasons. But before that, I want to make sure you know who I am. For those of you who are new here, I'm Angélique Binet. I'm the founder of Social Media Love, and I help entrepreneurs, so small businesses, to get the skills and the confidence to show up online every day, to build their online community, to showcase their products, their events, their services, and to make more money, right? And it takes so long to build an audience online that you need videos to get faster. So that's my 3 points. Why do you need to get on board with videos? Number 1, people are gonna actually learn faster who you are. Like your charisma, your personality, how you are, like if you're like moving a lot, you're gonna get my personality better, right? So that's so important, because when you build an online community, it's all about the relationship you're gonna have between you and them. And I so believe in that. So how do you do that? You make sure that you decide a frequency. Every week, every month, I wouldn't go every month, but if you have to start every month, do every month. But I would do every week, minimum. Once a week you show up in a video on your Facebook page, on your Instagram, and do it live, because live is already live, ready. You don't have to prep too much, right? But you have to have a structure, and that's what I'm teaching you. So have a frequency so that people get a chance and expect to see you at least once a week and discover how you can help them for free and discover your personality. Number 2, it's so important to do videos. Why? Beside the fact that they say that by 2021, I think all the content online is going to be videos, or 80% of it. So better be there. But with videos, and I'm going to make it simple, you can build audiences that you can use when you are ready to use Facebook and Instagram ads. Yes. The more people watch your videos, the more they interact with your videos, the more you can build audiences that you can target when you launch an ad. And the beauty of this is that Facebook goes back up to a year of all the people who watch your videos, and you can tell Facebook, hey, this is my new product or my new service. I'm gonna tell the world that this is what I'm doing, but I'm gonna target all those people who've been watching my videos for the last year or so. So you tell Facebook, go and show them. Then you can even ask Facebook, you see that pool of people who watch my video every week? I want you to actually look at them, see who they are, and find exactly or similar people like those people, but in another location. We call that the lookalike audiences. So yeah, the power of videos is beyond the fact that you're building a relationship. You're building an audience who you're gonna show your product, service, or events, right? And your number 3 is to make sure, so once you have, you say, what's the problem? You promise that you're gonna bring a solution. Then you explain your solution in 3 points. The third point for me here is to give a call to action. Don't leave people go like that randomly. Give them a call to action. My call to action to you is that if you're really committed to start to do more videos live or recorded, and you need ideas about what to talk about, you're gonna put in the comments right now, video. And then when people put video in the comments, I'm gonna send you actually a PDF that I made with, I think there are 10 ideas on what to talk about when you do a video. Okay, and use that structure. Ask a question that is kind of the problem that you're trying to solve. Second, you promise people that you have a recipe or kind of a solution to that question. You explain the solution in 3 points. You finish with a call to action. And in the middle of that, don't forget to say who you are, right? So remember, put in the comments the word video if you want me to send you the top 10 ideas you can actually pick from when you do your Facebook Live or your Instagram Live. And I want you actually to tag me so that I can go and support you, okay? If you like that video, put the likes or the loves or whatever up and share with your friends, or tag a friend or share with them if you think that could help them. I want to know. And leave me a comment, because it's always about how I learned about your struggles and what video I could do next. Okay? Ciao, ciao.